A bright sunny day in my village, and 50 pounds of cabbage being washed in the same tube well that sends water across to the fields nearby. The same tube well that offers water for the kids in my village to bathe. We plan to make coleslaw salad, stuffed sandwich, for the underprivileged children of my village. Finally chopping the cabbage, and now let's grate the carrots. 10 pounds of carrots washed, peeled and grated. We'll need to keep these veggies cold as cold cuts, for which we need ice. So placing all these vegetables in a big bowl, we'll surround it with ice baby. And now over the grated cabbage goes the grated carrot. And now for the sauce, we have 2 liters of eggless mayonnaise, over which we'll be pouring 2 liters of fresh cream. This sauce has other ingredients to go. We'll drop in the rest of them now. Black pepper, salt, sugar and lemon juice. I'm gonna squeeze in lemon juice worth 10 lemons, or lime as it's called in some countries. Here goes the lime juice, and our sauce is ready once we churn it well. Let's mix it using a whisk until everything is incorporated well into each other. This sauce is now gonna go on this cold, relaxed cabbage and grated carrot. The important step now is to mix it well. Let's rock. Once we mix it well, it's time for us to now relax and open the packets of breads, huge slices of them. First, we'll cut off the edges. These are 650 slices of bread all together. And now we'll fill them well. That's a mango tree in my yard that looks like a broccoli from the top. Enough filling in between the slices and a cut triangle shaped slice, two for each child in my village. Let's enjoy with them.